The Exoplanet Interactive Calculator determines key physical properties of planets outside our solar system using observational data. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include planet radius from transit depth, orbital period from semi-major axis, equilibrium temperature, radial velocity semi-amplitude, transit duration, and habitable zone boundaries. For this demonstration, I'm using planet radius from transit depth. Enter your transit depth as a fraction, your star radius in solar radii, the semi-major axis in astronomical units, star mass in solar masses, star temperature in Kelvin, bond albedo between 0 and 1, planet mass in Jupiter masses, orbital period in days, eccentricity, and inclination in degrees. Let's calculate using these values. Transit depth of 0.0121, star radius of 1.15 solar radii, semi-major axis of 0.0372 AU, star mass of 1.08 solar masses, and the other parameters as shown. The calculator returns a planet radius of 1.259 Jupiter radii, which equals 13.82 Earth radii or 88,044 kilometers. The classification indicates this is a Jupiter-like gas giant, consistent with the large radius we calculated. This tool streamlines exoplanet characterization from transit photometry data. Find the link in the description below.